Welcome back to Tools Inspector. Today we're revealing some insanely smart car gadgets that can upgrade your bored car ride instantly. Number 1. Portable Apple CarPlay screen. Imagine turning any car into a smart car within seconds. This portable Apple CarPlay screen gives you wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto without replacing your car's factory system. The responsive touchscreen lets you access navigation, music, calls, and voice assistance while keeping your focus on the road. It also supports Mirror Link, allowing you to display your phone apps directly on the screen. Built-in speakers provide clear sound, and GPS navigation helps you reach your destination easily. Number 2. LED Sequential Side Mirror Turn Signals. These dynamic LED side mirror turn signals upgrade both the style and safety of your vehicle. The sequential flowing light effect is brighter and more noticeable than traditional indicators, making your turns easier for other drivers to see. Designed for vehicles like the Tacoma, RAV4, and Highlander, they offer a precise fit and simple installation. The bright LED lighting improves visibility during night driving or bad weather conditions. Besides enhancing safety, Number 3. All-Fit Automotive Rim Trim Protector. Curb rash can quickly ruin the look of expensive wheels, but this flexible rim trim protector helps prevent that damage. The durable strip attaches to the edge of your wheels and absorbs impacts from curbs and road hazards. It's designed as a simple DIY accessory that fits up to 4 wheels and can be installed at home. The sleek black design blends well with most wheel styles while adding a sporty look. Once installed. Number 4. KONNWEI KW208 Car Battery Tester. A dead battery can leave you stranded at the worst possible time, but this digital battery analyzer helps you avoid that situation. The KONNWEI KW208 quickly checks battery health, charging systems, and cranking performance. It delivers accurate results for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even boats. The clear digital display shows whether your battery is strong, weak, or needs replacement. This allows drivers to identify problems early and prevent unexpected breakdowns. Number 5. Microfiber Leather Steering Wheel Cover. Sometimes the smallest upgrades make the biggest difference in comfort. This microfiber leather steering wheel cover improves grip, control, and overall driving comfort. The soft yet durable material provides a premium feel while protecting your original steering wheel from wear and scratches. It fits most standard 15-inch steering wheels and installs quickly. In addition to comfort, it also enhances the interior appearance of your vehicle with a clean and stylish look. Number 6. Smittybilt Aluminum Grab Handles. If you drive an off-road vehicle, getting in and out can sometimes be challenging. These aluminum grab handles provide a strong and reliable grip for both drivers and passengers. Made from durable aluminum with a textured finish, they're designed to withstand rugged off-road conditions. Installation is straightforward and requires minimal tools. Along with improving accessibility and safety, they also add a bold off-road aesthetic to the interior of your vehicle. Number 7. Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner Combo. Keeping wheels clean is often one of the toughest parts of car detailing, but this professional cleaner simplifies the process. The powerful formula removes brake dust, road grime, and dirt from wheels and tires effectively. It's safe for most finishes including painted, chrome, and alloy rims. Simply spray, lightly scrub, and rinse to restore a clean and polished look. Regular use helps maintain the shine. Number 8. Overland Kitchen Slide-Out System. For camping trips and outdoor adventures, this slide-out kitchen system transforms your SUV into a portable cooking station. The compact design includes a sink, chopping area, cooking space, and a folding table. It slides out smoothly from the trunk and can be set up in about 1 minute. This makes preparing meals during road trips incredibly convenient. Built for durability, it's perfect for overlanding and car camping enthusiasts. Number 9. Moveland Jeep Grab Handle Set. These grab handles are designed to give passengers a secure place to hold while driving off-road. The 3-strap design allows them to attach easily to roll bars without complicated installation. Made from durable materials, they provide a strong grip even during rough terrain. They are compatible with many Jeep models including TJ, YJ, and JK. Number 10. GPS Digital Speedometer HUD. This digital heads-up display shows your speed clearly on a bright screen, so you can monitor it without distraction. It uses GPS technology to deliver accurate speed readings without connecting to the car's internal system. The display remains visible in both daytime and nighttime driving conditions. Installation is quick with a simple plug-and-play USB connection. Its compact design fits neatly on the dashboard for convenient viewing. Number 11. Flat tires can happen anytime, which is why a portable tire inflator is an essential tool for every driver. The Fantic X9 Pro can inflate tires quickly with pressure up to 150 psi. It includes a digital pressure gauge, so you can set the exact psi needed. In addition to car tires, it works with motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment. The compact cordless design makes it easy to carry in your car. Number 12. Exoforma Black Trim Restorer. Over time, plastic trim and bumpers can fade due to sunlight and weather exposure. This trim restorer brings back the deep black color and protects the surface from further fading. The dye-infused formula bonds with plastic surfaces to deliver long-lasting results. It also creates a waterproof protective layer that lasts for months. It's an easy way to make older vehicles look newer again. Number 13. Oxido LED Fog Light Bulbs. These amber yellow LED fog light bulbs are designed to improve visibility in harsh weather conditions. The 3000K color temperature penetrates fog, rain, and snow better than standard white lights. They are plug-and-play replacements for traditional halogen bulbs. The efficient LED technology also provides longer lifespan and brighter illumination. This upgrade improves both safety and driving confidence during poor weather. Number 14. 3M Headlight Restoration Kit. Cloudy or yellow headlights can reduce visibility and make your car look older. This restoration kit helps bring headlights back to their original clarity. It includes sanding discs, masking tape, and protective polish for a complete restoration process. With a little effort, you can remove oxidation and restore brightness. The result is clearer headlights and improved nighttime visibility. Number 15. Utopakar Blind Spot Mirror. Blind spots are one of the biggest risks while changing lanes, but these convex mirrors help eliminate that danger. They attach to your side mirrors and expand the field of view so you can see vehicles that are normally hidden. The adjustable design allows you to position them for the best visibility. Installation takes only a few seconds and requires no tools. It's a small accessory that can significantly improve driving safety. If you enjoyed these smart car gadgets, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Tools Inspector, and let us know which gadget was your favorite.